Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shree's Apron. Today I'm going to make chicken 65 biryani. For making this yummy biryani, our ingredients are: I'm taking 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, salt to taste, some garam masala, turmeric and ginger garlic paste. I'm taking 1 egg, 1 lemon and half kg of chicken. Here I'm taking boneless chicken. So let's marinate the chicken first. Now let's add all the masala which I already mentioned, and we have to stir this well. Make sure that masala is coated everywhere. After mixing, now let's add some maida. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of maida and half tablespoon of corn flour, and again we have to mix the ingredients well. Now let's add lemon juice. I'm taking half lemon here. After adding lemon juice, we have to mix this well. Now let's add 1 egg. After adding egg, we have to mix the ingredients. Make sure that egg is coated everywhere. So guys, you can see the marinated chicken. We have to keep this at least for 1 hour, and after 1 hour take a pan and we have to fry the chicken pieces. So you can see I'm frying the chicken. So it's already done. Now let's see how to make the masala. For making a masala, we have to take a pan. In this pan, before that let me show you the ingredient. I took 2 to 3 big onion, tomato, chopped garlic and chili. Now let's pour some oil in the pan. You can see I added oil. In that oil we have to add chopped garlic and chopped chili. Make sure that the flame is on low. After adding chili, we have to stir this. After stirring it, we have to add some onion. If you want the correct measurement, I am giving the measurement in my description box. Please do check the measurement. Now let's add 3 big onion. If it is small onion, you can take 4, but here I took 3 big onions, and we have to stir this well on a low flame and make sure that it is light brown. After 5 minutes, our onion turned brown. Now it's time to add some masala. So I added salt here. Salt you can add as per your taste, and we have to stir this. After adding salt, we have to add chili powder. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you want a very spicy, you can add After adding chili powder, let's add turmeric, and we have to stir this well. The measurement of the masala is given in the description box. Please do check the description box. Now let's add coriander powder. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and we have to stir this well. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. I'm taking 2 big tomatoes here. After adding tomato, we have to stir this. Now let's add some spring onions. I took 1 bundle of spring onion here. And we have to stir this. The spring onion will give nice taste and smell. We have to close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see our vegetables are well cooked. Now it's time to add some mint leaves. Again we have to stir this. I added coriander leaves also. So our masala is ready. Now let's add our fried chicken. This chicken is well coated with maida, egg, and it's very yummy. Again we have to stir this. And after a minute it is ready. Now let's see how to make the rice. For rice I took 2 cup of rice. Soak the rice for 30 minutes and cooked in a pressure cooker. You can take any rice you want. I took basmati rice. Now let's see the finishing point, that is how to make a biryani. Now let's take a pan. In that pan add some rice. Guys, here I didn't show you how to make a rice. This you can make whatever you feel like, so I didn't explain that. Now let's add our masala. If you are taking 1 cup of rice, add double the water, like 2 cup of water. And if you are taking 2 cup of rice, you can add 4 cup of water. So like that you have to cook the rice. I added some salt while cooking, so the rice itself will be some salty. So you can see layer by layer I added the rice and masala. The smell is very superb. You can add some ghee on top of it. So in this way we have to add masala and rice layer by layer. And let us garnish using some coriander leaves. Now we have to close it using foil paper, and we have to keep it on a stove on a low flame for dum. It will take around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see nice yummy biryani is ready. This is very easy recipe. Please do try at home. So guys, hope you liked my video. For more video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support. Thank you for watching.